Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon a beat and it can't see. On the screen, it's a whole lot going on with Jamaican favorites, my people. It's a mass, and right now, Ivany is explaining a little bit of things and things. You know, she's in it with a lot of people. You see, the people that want to cancel her for not helping Kaylan. You know what I mean? And she's going to give the reason why she will not help these girls. You see, as well as touching bases on Shauna Chin and letting the world know it was her. Oh, they put the it pan her feet. You know, go 6 feet under, but it never happened. You see I say? And she just a run down everybody, man, and a bag of things. You see I say? And at the end of this, me giving an update pan marking and paparazzi happen. You see me? But let's get to the important stuff first. Kaylan. Because, you know, the people that must say 62 million and we don't know where it gone, you know. Right? And this is why Ivani won't assist in the gifts during this time around, you see me?
Music start play and Kaylan and her friend them start bust blank and a trouble the baby mother. The baby mother brought the blood clot NSC back and go over there go tab up Kaylan. She and her auntie and her cousin and her friend them gang Kaylan and beat up Kaylan. Kaylan friend them run gone left her. And them did up on the run. And one of them wants to do the damage at the baby mother. Me and her in the same circle, then they plan to beat me up in a blood clot photo too. And they have to take me out of cell with them. When our friend them run well left her for dead, the girl them a beat her up. And then the girl them go on one hunt, a hide from the police them. And police them find them. You know, long they over photo, a couple, I must say about 3 years or 2 years, and they over them. 4 of them, they must get released, left one of them. And the one will get released first, cause she go away when me still in there, and the one will do the damage, the baby mother. And the same man with them a fight for the same man called the baby mother in a jail. Me and I same cell with them for 1 year. Same cell where we pay blood clot money for officer carrying phone and weed and the thing. Them, I know everything will go on. Me dey on phone and hear conversation between them, mama, them friend, them. So who no fi said this and who fi go say that in a court and who no fi say this and who fi say that and hide this and hide that and delete this and blood clot. You no can't tell me no. So how come tell me about a sickness and it can't happen to you. Come suck me. Come blood clot suck me. Oh. No nothing. And that's why me a cuss. But me a answer to the people then where I say it could have happened to me because I say it could have happened to me because I no fuck girl man. Me look up my one them pan application me fill out for my one them. Application me fill out for mines.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. Like I said, my people, a lot of people want Kaylan forget justice, you know, it's just certain things. Yeah, as you can see, some of my followers who donated to the cards initially is still asking what happened to the money. And the mother is really blocking her blessings. And the people them is saying that they're not transparent. Me say, but me just they want giving an update while going for not going for never know why Ivani then they want to help the people them. Well, it's because she know a lot about the people them involved and the whole situation. You see say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. See, girl in that dance, I bust blank off of people are rascal and them tap her up, you know. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, Ivani, they get tap up too. I know she's out here exposing Shauna Chin. Yeah, so let's take a listen to what going for to go on his Zim.
What kind of position should I work with? The last time them she showed the man them me when I saw why am I telling this girl? When me did I saw she did show the man them me on her live when she did up on Instagram live. I next day them shot me down a Waterloo. That's why I know that girl set man for kill me now. How the fuck you who is that in the house now you wanna show to kill me now? Down a mega mart. Shauna pussy kill Bob. Shauna fuck Italian turn Batman. When K and 10 point did 10 point did fat. Fair pussy make the man go down fine. Yeah, the man there for true, man. Talk it truth because the music video done gone already. The local song done gone already. Why you in a robot done in a so long? How much more days is that video shoot you shoot for? Yes, the girl make man shoot me up. I make a stallion turn Batman. Music video done gone already. And whatever on the other. So you're still in a row with the man.
But the boy will live with her.
Yeah.
I deport the boy. What's his name again? I still tell you. The man was
Yeah, I don't think it was no secret because I only just heard the initial video with Ivany. And being carried to the car, we hear Shauna chin voice. You see what I say? And this is why I say I don't know why a lot of TikTokers is being fake with them one another. Cause we know all the beef them from back in the day, You know what I mean? But it's whatever though. You see what I say? Shauna chin and Ivany, them got life with them one another. So let's hear what they are saying.
She afraid she not come. No, come now. Bitch. Oh, you love people, man, son.
Are you grow me?
2026.
Are you grow
Why
me?
you think it is right to be around?
Because are you grow me?
Can't just walk out to the girl, man, son.
Are you grow me?
You and K are friends at Twitter. Why you gonna take her, man? You think that is a good look?
Me have me not no friend.
You in a robe with 10 clap.
And me
Why
not
in a
no
robe with
friend.
him?
Are you are my friend?
No.
Me you are my friend.
K and my blood clot friend.
And
We
you are
not
my friend.
support. Hold
You
up.
love
We
me
not
so
support that. So me know if okay already because you have a robe. I see me in a robe too.
You are my friend and you grow me.
Listen, this. I think a trend.
You train me.
K up. All breed. When you move on, the whole fuck shine at it fall apart. So shine at it fall apart. Hey, let me tell you something, girl. I want kid. You're look a pussy where you walk with something wrong with it. You kill back. You like you look a gunman there, what? They look a bad man there where that for one time crash out, nearly take your life. Now you're on 10 point, make song. You don't even pass TikTok. You don't stand there play on the radio. Me never hear that stand up on YouTube. A TikTok alone that song the stop on. K song up on YouTube. K song have a pink wall. Full song. Now you're gonna breathe. Let me see your belly. A 10 client that's in the background. A 10 point that's it. You see a fuck Italian turn Batman. What kind of pussy them a girl that walk with?
Come here, give me a kiss.
Me crush tomorrow.
Give me a kiss.
God forbid.
Give me a kiss.
What kind of pussy you now walk with? You never tell her.
Oh, me just said give her a kiss.
Leave the people them, man. Leave the people them, man. And one blood clot came. How you drop in at this part now? My girl, you now go work out. A blood clot K and 10 point. We see pan plane. A bus bomb.
Okay.
But I show nobody me no come. Me I go away. Me I go come. Me no want them take. Me I go away.
Interesting. No, we did a review on Paparazzi Apple yesterday on our King Mix Up channel on YouTube. Mr. Man said they pled guilty and they've been convicted of retail organized theft. They face 15 years imprisonment, but being that they cooperated with investigation, meaning them pleading guilty, and things. Then we get a lenient sentence. So being it's the first time in that state, but you know them have cases all over the place. Then probably get like a 4 years or some shit on probation. This is my say, and you know marketing serious, you know what I mean? Because we confirm say it's CPN fraud based off of all of the evictions that he's getting every 3 months and buying house in a people name and thing, you know what I mean? So swing by my King Mixer page and check out what I go on for that to go on, you see me? And if you haven't done so, subscribe to all of my channels. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews and gossip. And make sure on the like and share the video them. Bless.